Hi, we came here to the first from Fabbeo and we are going to ask them to print a new logo in 3D.
Hi, I'm Karim from Fabbeo, and what we're doing today, we're printing the Tran.sl logo with our 3D printing machine. So what you can see right now, it's laying down the ground layer, doing it very slowly and carefully so it sticks on the surface. And if we wait about, let's see, about 1 hour, we should have the full model ready, and then we can see the result. So, our first experiment is almost done. Actually, it looks very good. So what we will have is that on the one side, you will have the Tran.sl logo imprinted into the surface, and on the other side it's coming out again. So you, on the back, you will be able to read the Tran.sl logo, and on the front side too. Should be finished in a couple of minutes, and we're eager to see the result. This is the result we have. You see here the Tran.sl logo coming out of the platform, and here it's going into it. And like that, Tran.sl.
Cool.
Very nice.
Thank you very much, Karim.
No problem.
Thank you very much, Fabbeo.